And then the rains came. The quarantine continued, and there was a couple of weeks where not only did we not get any work done, we barely left the property. Then I learned one of the hardware stores was taking orders over the phone and bringing the materials to their dock. And just like that, we're back in business. Up some lumber and I'm heading back home, just going right through the middle between Bocas Town and Caranero, and I'm the only boat out here, well minus the sailboats. There's nobody out. It's crazy. Here, check this out. So now that we've got lumber, it's time to go to work. First project is going to be the shop, boathouse, and first will be that door. That's got to go. It is hot. Door's done. I think it's functional. Looks all right. I'm going to start on the shop wall. And I'm kind of making this up as I go along, so good plan. Okay, so it's Easter weekend, and quarantine's still on. Yeah, we're actually total quarantine for the next 2 days, for Saturday and Sunday, Easter Sunday, just because of the weekend. So I figured I'd finish off the wall in the shed in the boathouse, so I can get that going. Put a makeshift ladder up so I can get in and out of the boat at low tide, because it's a long way. It's like 4 feet. So anyway, here, check it out. I know the ladder's hilarious. Here we are, April 22nd, made it out on the boat this afternoon. We're gonna just hop in at a little cove called Canuck's Garden, and have a little snorkel and just kind of get out. We haven't really gotten out together on the boat yet, so it's be fun. It's my 2 hours. I haven't been out in 4 days. Taking the boat into town to grab some lumber so I can do some building. Build some roofs. I want to build a roof on that deck and a roof over this deck. This would be pretty fun. And I'm sitting a little low in the water, but should be all right. It's going to be a little bit of a slow ride home. Okay, so this was exactly the second coconut I have ever opened. I probably should have YouTubed on how to do it properly, but you know what? I had a cool looking machete and I just went at it. With work done for the day and sunset on the way, I felt that a little paddle in the kayak with a couple of fishing rods was in order. Who knows, might get lucky.
Please like and subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications of future videos as we continue to renovate the future Sunsetter Bed and Breakfast.